PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Do it again. Don't move even a bit. Can't move even a bit. Give it a try. Right. That's right. Good. Give it a try. Good. Good. All right. 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 Come on, send it over. Can the player on the other side hit it? I haven't even sent it to him yet. Why are you in such a hurry? The less you need to rush. Why? Then he can take his shot. It's steady. When I attack, if you understand quickly, I want to play fast. So I do it this way. Aren't you just throwing it around? Right. He is clearly an aggressive player. How could you possibly break the rhythm? Right? Quick pops. Fast shots. Brief pause. Fast shots. Yes, brief pause. This is what we call quick play. Small pause. Small pause. There's another principle. Small pause. Small pause. Right. Small pause. Small pause. Sudden shot. This feeling. Does it affect your speed? This is still stable. Isn't it? Hanging like this. Check out my serve. You serve short balls with a push. Watch me. Am I supposed to wait for him to fall before I serve? Is there? It shows that I'm waiting for him to come down. You should be ready to reach for your serve. Do you think that makes sense? Then just watch me. Did I go up on my toes? No, right. Okay, it's a long one. You definitely won't go up on your toes for a long shot. Is it clear? Then wait for the short one to drop. It's just not dropping to the lowest point. Yes, you can't depend on just the short ball. Yes. Execute one. Short. What is this situation? What is this situation? Do you think this feels cramped? It's too cramped, isn't it? Does this feel cramped? Do you feel like you have a solid grip? Yes. Which one do you prefer? Yes. This feels great. Are you comfortable like this? It looks much more comfortable visually. This is the same. That's how it was played. It's still like this. What problems do their children have now? It's just us telling them to move forward, right? Actually, it's all about lifting it. Because when you tell them to move forward, they're completely mistaken. You just need to make contact with the ball. Actually, this is going for a forward attack. Oh, you see? In the end, it's loose. I used all my strength. Was the final shot loose or tight? Loose, relax, and pull your core in. Right. Right. All right. All right. All right. This is the basic concept. Yes, the power is stored here. You store your power here. And finally compress it here. Then you engage your core and center of gravity. Next, push off with your feet. The hips then help bring your hands back. Is that right? What's so difficult about it? The first type, it has lost power. He didn't know how to adjust it. He just took a shot. Why did he take a shot instead of pushing? The forehand was well executed. When the topspin is at this position, and then it breaks. So I just use a forehand to protect my backhand. You see, when I pull the ball to the center, I also hit it in the center, right? Because your contact point remains the same. An impact for the other. But if I'm using a loop for both, sorry, the positions are different. One is in the middle, one is in the upper middle. Look at this. It's so clear.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.